Mama ko bobim obi create Telegram group or join ya free. Inti me one no reach me say minye video emfa ho. Before me continue video and I say ebi I'll be follow link no. Me pese me input this disclaimer way. Telegram group no enye me na me create ye. E obi ne reach me say minye video emfa ne group no ho emma no. Say obi a woni je forex trading ho ebi a open signal na say open more knowledge about forex trading na obi timi enye wo ho. E free. All join here free at the same time, so obinya more education Telegram group. Inti me put a link now there 2 video na say. Okay, information is no more providing mama na. Almost say Ghana for do na any more knowledge about forex trading, but who say forex trading no opportunities in the door so. Wow, here video we always say opportunities in the door so. The akaye knowledge and into the market group we say that on me educate Ghana for be said online opportunities now online so no ni padodo na betimi a benefit bi into you be a open more knowledge about forex trading now betimi a join the group no before say me end the video no say them dey kan first name na me create group no and just in case of say o follow group no na e bia later on no okoye investment bia who say enye me na me advise you say be join the group no say them kind no be na reach him na me ye video e de fa ho me gidi say video be boa amade bia wo ye bia no be ko anim say the one agi video we ho no video na nkwa mu ba no kra e chenwe ya pe boa pese hye bia